see that? Use my face. Alright, what is up, everyone? Back on the YouTube channel. Fast forward about 2.5, 3 weeks now. There's been a lot of changes, I will tell you what. Married man now. I'm not wearing my ring right now, but you know, shop stuff. You don't want to have a wedding ring on. So the wedding went well, and also at the same time of planning the wedding, we are in new headquarters now. Alright? This is the new shop. It is a 3-car garage now. It is my garage. Keyword mine. I'm not at my parents', not at my brother's shop anymore. We're done with that. We have our own place. We're gonna be doing our own projects on the old fortune in this shop from now on. So I guess one thing that I really want to clear up is we've been off the air for about 2 to 3 weeks. We have a lot of projects. We have a lot of things we need to get done to this pickup. Just because I've been off the air doesn't mean that I haven't been planning and I haven't been able to get parts for this pickup. I am sitting on parts galore right now, and I'm trying to find time right now in order to get some more videos up for everyone out there. So let's go ahead and jump to it. So for all of you guys out there that don't know what this is, almost everybody can tell from the shape of it, all the people that do know, but the ones that don't, this is one of the must-have parts for your steering system on your Dodge 3/4 ton Cummins pickup. This is a steering gearbox stabilizer bar. Pretty much what it does is you replace the pitman arm nut on the steering gearbox with a pitman shaft nut, and it looks like that. And what that does is that it extends through this hole, and in that hole they put a heavy duty bearing like this. So what ultimately it's going to do is it's going to keep all that play from that pitman arm shaft on your steering gearbox. It's going to keep all that play in check with that shaft and that heavy duty bearing, which is attached to this bar, and this bar is then braced to the frame of the pickup using the sway bar mount bolts. So it helps eliminates the play in the steering, and it also it's one of those kind of a cure-all. It's always been a weak link in their steering gearboxes, and the reason I went with this style bar, they have many different styles. There's fully boxed, there is completely different, like welded angle irons. And every company has their style, their patent. And I went with this bar from a website called DodgeRamSteeringStabilizer.com. And the reason I went with this is because there is not one welded joint on this bar. It has all been forged. It has not been heated. It's completely stamped. The only place where it has been heated is where it's been cut or drilled for the holes for your bearing or your mounting. Other than that, the structural integrity of the steel has not been compromised at all with this style brace. So I figured this was the strongest brace you could have. A lot of people feel like a fully boxed brace is better, even though it's welded on. I don't know. I just kind of look at the structural integrity of it. But I feel like this is going to be the ticket item right now. So we have the steering gearbox all adjusted from the last video about 4 weeks ago. Yeah, almost a month. Time has flown. But
a few moments later,
we're going to go ahead and get to work. Start by rattling off the pitman on the nut. To begin with, this is an 1 13/16 socket on the 4th gen. Let's begin. Don't mind the dirty pickup or the mess underneath the pickup, but the finished product, what we have here is your steering gearbox stabilizer bar. Alright everyone, that is going to do it for this evening's video. It's been a very beautiful evening in Gearing, Nebraska. Remember, share your comments, share your ideas down below in the comments section. Good or bad ideas. Let me know what maybe I should be doing to this thing next. As well, hit the like button down below if you thought the video was helpful or just thought it was awesome. And as well, subscribe to the channel, of course. Alright, so I'm gonna go inside, have me a beer and some roast beef dinner. Living the highlight.